from First Class Living, and I am here with a Target haul. Here at First Class Living, you are a VIP, which stands for very important person. So if you are new here, I just want to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on the video. So this is my spend 40, get back a $10 extra care buck deal, and also 2 fetch rewards deals. So let's get started and I'll tell you all about what I have here. I am picking up 5 sprays and using 2 of these coupons, and I have a $1 digital. Okay, I am switching my Febreze Gain and Borean for the Febreze Lights. They are also $2.99, and I should be able to use these buy one get one coupons. So next, I am picking up a Purex at $7.99. We have a $1 digital on the app, and Ibotta is giving us back $2.50. So this can be used on the liquid or the packs. Okay, so everything rang up as planned. This is my receipt. Sorry. Okay. Everything rang up as planned. My snack pack pudding at 99 cents, my Knorr Select at $1.49, the Kleenex, the Snuggle at $6.99, the Febreze, and the Airwick and the Purex. Now, what was different than what I calculated was the buy one get one free took off $2.15. It didn't take off $2.99, which I was anticipating, so I didn't get those free. And it did throw my total off some, so my subtotal was $32.48, and I rolled a $10 gift card and paid the $22.55. So here is the math. So the rice was $1.49. and I got back 100% free from Fetch Rewards. You can actually do that deal twice. I just realized that when I submit my receipt, but I only did it once. And then the snack pack pudding, you get back 50 cents from Fetch. And then here is my spend 40 get 10. So this is the math. This is how everything added up. Everything came to $40.30. I calculated that I would have $11.98 in coupons that was provided. The $2.99 came off to make the item actually free. $28.02 would have been my total after my coupons, and then $14.52 is my total after the $10 gift card, the $2.50 from Ibotta, and the $1 from Fetch Rewards, making each item $1.45 each for the spend 40, get back a $10 gift card deal. And so again, my coupons for the buy one get one free only took off $2.15, so that made my total out of pocket, or my total after rewards, $16.50, and then that makes it $1.65 each. So not bad. The sprays alone was $15, so it's almost like I paid for the Febreze sprays, and then I got everything else in the spend 40 deal for free, if you want to look at it like that. And this is a big bottle of the Purex. It's the 150 fluid ounce. So all in all, I thought this was a great transaction, but be careful. Those buy one get one free coupons are not taking off the full value of the item, because again, the max value was $3 and these are $2.99. So I was guessing at the least it was going to take off $2.99, but to my surprise it did not. But everything else came off. My $1 for the Snuggle, and my $1 digital for the Febreze, and my $1.50, and my $1.50, and my $1 for the Purex. So all in all, not a bad transaction, and this deal is good until this coming Saturday, which is the 7th. And so there's nothing you have to clip, so I'm guessing you can do this deal more than once, because there's nothing clipped to my account. The system just prompts the gift card once you reach $40. And again, this is a limit of 2, and this one is no longer on my account, so I'm guessing it is a limit of 1. So I haven't submitted my receipt to Ibotta just yet, because when I went to the next store, I was not able to pull it up. But here is what I got back from Fetch Rewards. So 3,000, just like $3 back from Fetch Rewards, and so that worked out great. And as you can see here, I did get back the $10 gift card. So I rolled $10 in gift cards, and then I got my 10 right back. So again, not a bad transaction. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye guys.